Hey, it's B Savage, and today I'm going to show you how I got this nail look using Apres French Manicure Gel-X tips. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And for those of you who have been subscribed, I miss you all, and I'm glad you're back. Here's my inspo pick for these nails by @Nails by Rico. I started by pushing the cuticles back and removing the dead skin from the nail plate with my favorite pointed drill bit. Links to all of the items will be in the description box. I left everything today in natural speed so you can see how slowly I'm working. For those of you who are new here, I love to give each of these videos a little positivity. But today's a little different. I have a story to share. I went to a family reunion and shared my nail channel with one of my little cousins who was into nails, and she's in middle school. She watched almost every video, if not all of them. And when I asked her what she liked most about these videos, she said that she really liked the affirmations. This was a moment for me where I was like, yes, I will do these videos forever if I know that people are actually getting something out of those affirmations and out of the positivity. So today, in this video, a little later, I will be sharing some affirmations with you. After pushing back all of the cuticles, I roughed up the surface of all of the nails with a medium grit sanding band. Here I am applying dehydrator to the nails. I'll be using the full Gel-X system today. You all know I love Gel-X nails, and it's almost embarrassing how much money I spend with them, but I am just in love with their tips. Soon I will be trying the Daily Charm full covered gel tip, and I'll let you know which ones I like best. Here I am applying primer to all of the nails. I try to scrub the primer into each of the nails to make sure that they last. I did these nails a while ago, and I know that they lasted at least 3 to 4 weeks. No lifting. I was so proud of myself because I really don't do other people's nails, but I recently started doing friends and family just because I figured it doesn't hurt to practice on other people too. Me and her were trying to figure out which extend gel was best. On the right is Jessica and on the left is Ariel. I love Apres colored extend gels, but sometimes it is a little hard for me to tell which one will look best, but I love them. We decided to go with Ariel on the left. Now I'm applying extend gel to all of the nails. This step helps to prevent heat spike. So I put a thin layer of extend gel on all of the nails, and then she cures in the light for 60 seconds. When doing this set, she didn't have any heat spikes, so we did pretty well. Now, here are some affirmations for this video. I stand up for what I believe in. Obstacles help me grow and learn. I believe in myself and my goals. I love these affirmations because I feel like they're full of empowerment. And if said every day, we can go out into the world stronger and more ready. Let me know what you think about the affirmations in the comments. After curing for 60 seconds, I apply extend gel to the well of my already prepped tips. To prep my Gel-X tips, I rough up the inside of the tips, place Gel-X prep in the well of the tips, and I file around the cuticle area to make sure that the tips lay flush on your nails. To apply the tips, I place some extend gel in the well. I place it at a 45-degree angle, and I make sure that the gel doesn't float past the free edge to prevent getting any of that gel on the skin around the nail. Using a flashy lamp, I cure the tips in place for about 15 seconds. Then we place our whole hand in the light for 60 seconds to give them a full cure. These Gel-X manicure nails are different because they have lines to guide you in getting the perfect smile line. This system is all about working smarter, not harder. One thing I've noticed when doing Gel-X nails on other people is that the angle of their hand really does make a difference. It's important to have their hand angled downward. This helps the gel float towards the free edge, as well as helping you be able to apply the right amount of pressure to prevent gel from spilling out at the top or the bottom. From what I've seen, spilling happens when there's too much product inside the nail or when there's too much pressure when applying the nails on. You want to place it on gently and let the gel float inside the nail down towards the free edge. This will also help to prevent air bubbles. Now I'm going to begin working on the design. I use a brown and a beige gel polish to achieve this design. The lines in the Gel-X manicure nails are amazing. They're like small ridges in the nail. So to begin getting rid of the unnecessary lines, we want to apply a generous amount of gel polish. I applied 3 coats to get the gel polish to hide these lines. Now, this was my first time using these tips, so I was getting adjusted and figuring out exactly how I wanted to apply the gel polish. As I continued to use them, it got a lot easier. So what I really do like about these tips is that it's easy to get the perfect smile line, and you're able to create this look a whole lot faster. So here I go ahead and I just complete the French for all of the nails, and then I start working on my CowPrint design. For those of you who have been on my channel for a while, you know that I've slowed down a little bit on my videos. And at first, I want to say I'm sorry, but there's been a lot of change going on in my life. I have the kids that are getting so much bigger and going through all of these changes. One actually just started kindergarten, so that's a whole new struggle. And also, I got a new job, so I've been transitioning into something new. So I apologize for not getting videos out, but I hope that you stay subscribed and you get excited just like I do when a video is finally published. The ridges are also very helpful if you need to take a little alcohol or acetone to clean up the lines that you've made with your gel polish. It almost is like the ridges guide the brush to clean them up perfectly. I love this because you get the same exact smile line on each nail. Now for the CowPrint design, I literally just took a dotting tool and that same brown color I used on the other nails, and I just made some little circular shapes, put some dots in between them, and just went with the flow. What I really like about CowPrint is It is really easy because there's no right or wrong. You just put the colors on there how you feel. Make sure to add a couple of dots here and there. And I really like going above the fringe, not to hide the lines at all, just to like give it some dimension. What I think really works to make this design look nice is when you actually leave those circular shapes a lot bigger, wider, and apply a little bit more gel polish to them. So in these first ones, this was like my first real attempt at it, but as I went along, I made some adjustments, and I believe that just making sure that the gel is applied thickly, almost giving like a little bit of a raised feeling, I really liked. And I also liked when the spots were bigger because I felt like it looked more realistic. I'll go ahead and let you finish watching me apply the CowPrint design to the rest of the nails, and then I'll be back. So here I go ahead and apply some top coat. I'm not using Apres top coat, but I did apply a thin layer and it worked perfectly. Like, the lines do disappear. The small ridges that are still left will disappear with a layer of top coat. I was very skeptical at first, but seriously, these tips are everything. This is our final look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.